Here's how to add subtitles to a video using YouTube Studio and Premiere Pro. Use the clickable sections below to skip to different parts of this tutorial. In YouTube, click on your videos on the left. Make sure content is selected and select the video you want to add subtitles to by clicking on the thumbnail. Select Subtitles from the left here. Set the language of your subtitles and click Confirm. Click Add under Subtitles here to add your subtitles. Choose Type Manually to manually input your subtitles. Type the subtitle you want to add in the box here. Click the blue plus icon to add more subtitles. Play the video and pause wherever you want to add a subtitle. In the section below the video, you can drag the new caption or subtitle to adjust when and for how long it will appear on screen. Once you're finished, click Publish or Save Draft. In Premiere Pro, click the new item icon here and select Captions. In the pop-up, select Open Captions from the drop-down here and make sure your time and video settings are matching your video output. Click OK. Drag and drop your captions onto an empty video layer above your video. Extend it so that it covers the length of the video. Double-click the layer to open the Captions panel here. You can undock it and enlarge it if you wish. Here you can add your captions. Click plus here to add new captions. Adjust font, size, spacing, and manually modify other settings by using the controls here. Click and drag each black caption on the layer of the timeline to move, lengthen, or shorten them. To export, go to File, Export, and then Captions. Make sure your file format is .srt and check the box to include SRT styling. Click OK. Choose the name and destination for your captions file and click Save. In YouTube Studio, select Content from the left here. Click the thumbnail of the video you want to add subtitles to. Go to Subtitles on the left. Click Add under Subtitles on the right. Choose Upload File. Make sure with timing is selected and click Continue. Choose your exported captions file and click Open. Your captions will now be added to your video. Click Publish to complete the process.